multiple choice question, MCQ. Carry 1 mark each for each wrong answer, 1/3. Q. 1. Gauri said that she can play the keyboard, blank, her sister. A. As well as. B. As better as. C. As nicest as. D. As worse as. Q.2. A transparent square sheet shown above is folded along the dotted line. The folded sheet will look like, blank. Blank. A, B, C, D. Q. 3. If is the angle, in degrees, between the longest diagonal of the cube and any one of the edges of the cube, then, cos equals A. 12. B. 1 square root 3. C. 1 square root 2. D. Square root 32. Q. Q. 4. If. Then the value of is 2,213,222 x equals plus x. A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. 8. Q.5. Pen, right, knife, blank. Which one of the following options maintains a similar logical relation in the above? A. Vegetables. B. Sharp. C. Cut. D. Blunt. Blunt. Q. 6Q10 multiple choice question, MCQ. Carry 2 marks each for each wrong answer, 2/3. Q.6. Listening to music during exercise improves exercise performance and reduces discomfort. Scientists researched whether listening to music while studying can help students learn better, and the results were inconclusive. Students who needed external stimulation for studying fared worse, while students who did not need any external stimulation benefited from music. Which one of the following statements is the correct inference of the above passage? A. Listening to jigsaw puzzle has 2 pieces. One of the pieces is shown above. Which one of the given options for the missing piece when assembled will form a rectangle? The piece can be moved, rotated or flipped to assemble with the above piece. A, B, C, D. D. Q. 8. The number of students in 3 classes is in the ratio 3:13:6. If 18 students are added to each class, the ratio changes to 15 hours 35 minutes and 21 seconds. The total number of students in all the 3 classes in the beginning was A. 22, B. 66, C. 88, D. 110. 100, 200, 300, 240, 296, 210, 0, 50, 100, 150. Number of units of a product sold in 3 different years and the respective net profits are presented in the figure above. The cost unit in year 3 was 1, which was half the cost unit in year 2. The cost unit in year 3 was 1/3 of the cost unit in year 1. Taxes were paid on the selling price at 10%, 13% and 15% respectively for the 3 years. Net profit is calculated as the difference between the selling price and the sum of cost and taxes paid in that year. The ratio of the selling price in year 2 to the selling price in year 3 is blank. A. 4, 3, B, 1, 1, C, 3, 4, D, 1, 2, 2, Q, 10. 6 students P, Q, R, S, T and U, with distinct heights, compare their heights and make the following observations. Observation I, S is taller than R. Observation 2, Q is the shortest of all. Observation 3, U is taller than only one student. Observation IV, T is taller than S but is not the tallest. The number of students that are taller than R is the same as the number of students shorter than blank. A, T, B, R, C, S, D, P, P. Chemistry XLP. Q.1 Q2 multiple choice question, MCQ, carry 1 mark each for each wrong answer, 1/3. Q.1. The geometry of Fe CO5 is given. Atomic number of Fe equals 26. A. Pentagonal planar. B. Square pyramidal. C. Trigonal bipyramidal. D. Trigonal pyramidal. Q.2. The structure of the major product Q of the following reaction is A, B, C, D. D. Q.3 Q5 numerical answer type NAT, carry 1 mark each, no negative marks. Q. 3. The time taken by a first-order reaction to reach 90% completion is 20s. The time taken for the reaction to reach 50% completion is blank s rounded off to the closest integer. Q. 4. The ground state energy of an electron in a hydrogen atom is multiple choice question, MCQ, carry 2 mark each for each wrong answer, 2/3. Q. 6. The correct order of acidity of the following compounds is A. 2 greater than I greater than 3. B. 2 greater than 3 greater than I. C. 3 greater than 2 greater than I. D. 3 greater than I greater than 2. E. Q. 7. The OO bond order in O22 species is A. 0.5, B. 1.0, C. 1.5, D. 2.0. 2.0. Q. 8. For a reaction, X right pointing arrow products. Group 1 contains 3 plots of reactant concentrations as functions of time, where X equals concentration of reactant X at time t, X0 equals concentration of reactant X at initial time t equals 0. Group 2 gives a list of different orders of reaction. Match the plots with the order of the reaction. Group 1. Group 2. P. 1, 0 order. Q. Two, first order. R. 3, second order. A. P1 Q2 R3. B. P3 Q2 R. Structure of the major product S of the following reaction is A, B, C, D, Q. 10. Q. 11. Multiple select question MSQ carry 2 mark each, no negative marks. Q. 10. The correct combinations of Y and T for the following elimination reaction is R. A, B, B, C, D, Q. 11. Among the following, the diamagnetic species is R. Given, atomic numbers of Fe equals 26, Co equals 27, and Ni equals 28. A. COF63. B. Ni H2062 plus. C. Fe CN64. D. County NH363 plus. Plus. Q.12 Q15 numerical answer type NAT carry 2 mark each, no negative marks. Q. 12.